Welcome back. Standard 6 SPA3, our first standard in statistics. We are working on finding the measures of central tendency, which are the mean, median, mode, and range of a set of data. Finding the range. The range is the difference between the greatest and the least value in the data set. So we need to find the range of the data set below. Always start when you're dealing with data, putting your numbers in order from least to greatest. Once I have my numbers in least to greatest order, I can instantly see the largest and the smallest values. My largest value is 31. The difference means subtraction. So 31 minus 5 is 26. So my range is 26. Finding the mean. Step 1, we're going to add all the numbers together. So we do that and we get 143. And then the step 2 is divide all the numbers by the number of numbers. So I count how many numbers I actually have. So I have 8 numbers. So I'm going to divide by 8. And I get 28.6. The word mean is just another word for average. So when you think of mean, think of average. Finding the median. Put the numbers in order from least to greatest. Step 2. If there are an odd number of numbers, find the middle number. If there are even number of numbers, find the mean of the two middle numbers. So the way I often do this is I will just start crossing out. That's 1 on both sides, 2, 3, and then here I have 2 middle numbers. So I need to find the mean of those middle numbers. So I add them together. And then divide by 2. And that is 17.5. So that is the median of this set of data. Finding the mode. Find the number that occurs the most. There may be more than one mode or no mode at all. So first step is I'm going to put my numbers back in order from least to greatest. When I do that, it ensures that I don't miss multiple modes and just instantly say, oh, it's 20. But if I look from least to greatest, I can tell that this is the only set of numbers that occur more than once. So my mode for this data is 20. You try it.